What's up guys, it's Sam from Scrubs, and today we've got a really cool car in today. It's a brand new Audi RS5 and we're going to be doing heaps to it. So we've got a full body gloss PPF, we'll be doing wheels off ceramic, brake caliper ceramic as well. We're going to throw some interior protection on it and stick around to the end because we're going to get a bit crazy and put some matte PPF on the interior of the car. So stick around for that. Other than that, let's get into it. As always, the first step in a great PPF wrap is to make sure there's good prep. This ensures we aren't going to bring any unnecessary contamination into our wrap booth. It's more than just a quick wash. We're going really hectic and making sure that we're getting everything. After that, we're going to move the car into the booth. This is where we're going to go over it again, do another clay bar and make sure we're removing all of the contamination. This is really important as the better the clean, the better the wrap install will be. So once the booth area is spotless, we're going to move up to cutting all of the PPF out upstairs. Alright guys, we're on day 2 on this Audi RS5. So you would have seen yesterday we've done all of the washing, the prep work, we've cut all the film and we've disassembled and installed this side of the car. So the reason we take off door handles, mirrors and trim pieces is it allows us to clean underneath it and it gives us a more seamless finish. So we're going to have less joins in the car. A lot of shops don't like doing this because it can be a little bit tricky, but we like to do it. It gets a better result every time. Now we're going to jump over to the other side for the install today. We've got heaps to do on this car, so let's get straight into it.
This is the moment we waited for. Everything you want is right here. We gon' give them what they came for. We gon' take it up from last year. Shoot on my shot, boy, I'm long range. Me and the team on the same thing. Stayed down, never switched up. Only thing changed was the game. I'm in the zone now. Nothing can change what we on now. When I pull up, know it's going down. Foot on the gas, ain't no slowing down.
So a really difficult part about this car were these door cups. Usually there would be a join at the back and it just doesn't look as clean as getting it in one piece. I almost gave up, but with persistence we managed to get it down. It looked super clean and the customer was really happy with the result.
Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Watch the game change, yeah. Tell them that's like, yeah, it's still of it. I'm taking a shot for my enemies. I can't waste no more time on my energy. I know they know I got it on lock. Go against me, that's a long shot. Cause I'm counting wins all around the clock. Never doubt me, boy, I don't stop. Who do you feel?
So today we're going to be working on the interior of this car. This car's getting a lot of interior protection done and we're also going to be doing PPF on the transmission tunnel and some of the door cards as well. We'll be doing matte PPF just so the customer doesn't have to deal with a bit of glare. This gloss PPF can be a bit reflective, so that's what we're going to do from. We're also going to do the wheels, brake calipers today, so we'll jack the car up, take the wheels off, and we'll get straight into it. One of the benefits about getting your wheels ceramic coated is that it makes them a lot easier to clean because wheels are notorious for the road grime and brake dust buildup. Next up, we have the moment you've all been waiting for, and that's the interior matte PPF on the transmission tunnel. This is a really hard thing to do because it's matte PPF, so you're going to see all of the edges. It's really important to let a skilled installer do this because you can damage and affect all the electronics of the car. I decided to remove the door panels to PPF them just to make sure that no water or soap would get behind in the electronics. And it was a lot easier to do this outside of the car and made it a lot cleaner as well. The customer has also opted for a premium interior ceramic protection. We're going to coat on all of the leather, suede, Alcantara, and fabric that's in the car. So if you get any sort of spills, it's gonna be a lot easier to clean and less likely to stain in the future. This is also best done when the car is brand new as well. But other than that, this is all done. This RS5 is now protected from head to toe. I hope you guys enjoyed following along.
Yeah, back and I'm better than ever. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I can let up. They get not tired of me never. Give me a shot and I swear I shoot like Berettas. Yeah. They getting nervous, I seen it. What I seen, you wouldn't believe it. They say they want it, I need it. Damn, I'm going dumb like I dropped out of class. Get in my lane and I'm going right past. I turn it up, watch me go to the max. You ain't it first and you know that you last. I thought I told them I'm coming right back. I got a flows like it came from the tap, and I came from my city, that's right on my back. Back and I'm back.
Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more PPF walkthroughs. Don't forget to jump down into the comments and let us know what else you guys want to see. I'll see you next time.
Give me a shot and